Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 29th of March. This is your daily recap. It's been a very interesting day here in the market. When I say interesting, I mean it's been a little quiet. Names have been moving, but ultimately man, we're looking good. We're looking like we want to break to the upside. We do have some things to worry about. We'll go into that in a minute. So let's start off with what happened. We closed strong last night and then we gapped up big. And you can see here we're at the highs of the day now with about 12 minutes to go. But overall, we have a very small range here on the market today. What I would say is this. They could have very easily, like they've done every other time in this market lately, come down and filled the gap, and they did not. Okay. So they didn't fill the gap. They have pushed us above the 50-day. Right now, we're into the downtrend. You can see the downtrend coming in here, just a couple pennies, oops, okay, ahead of where we are. And we have some data coming at us the next few days. Tomorrow morning, we have GDP at 8:30. I don't think GDP is a big mover. I think everybody's going to focus on the inflationary number of PCE on Friday. And if we have a number there that's good, I think the market takes off. Hi, bud. He's under my desk looking out the window. I'm sorry. I'm distracting everybody. He's sitting under my desk and he's jumped up under the desk looking out the window. I've never seen that before. All right. So I would say the market's lit. Gino posted this night's chart in Discord. You're welcome to go look at it, talking about breadth and how breadth looks like it's ready to thrust and move forward. So I think there's some positive things to say here about the market. I don't think we're all free here, but some positive things. MOC finals 1.2 billion to buy, by the way. So you take that aside, what was good today, what wasn't? Now for me, I did not have a great day. I'm barely green. I'm green today. I'm not green big, and I kind of just didn't manage my trades well, or got in and got chopped up and taken losses or small losses and small wins, and it just didn't work for me. And that's okay. It happens. I've had some great month overall. So, it happens. The financials here up. Nice move here. They're pushing up. If they keep pushing, the market's going to follow that. Amazon took a loss in Amazon. Highs of the day here. Should have just sat in the calls, but finally blew out of them when it came down. The market was weak. Amazon looks good here. Shop made some money on Shop on calls and on stock today. Not a lot. Beautiful move today. I want you to note there was both flow in Amazon and Shop early. I didn't trade Baba. Baba took out yesterday's high. Nice move here today on that one. Micron had a very nice move here off of earnings, breaking above the range, almost to 65. Apple here is on highs of the day. The semis, kind of a mixed bag. NVIDIA back to highs of the day, but was weak in between. AMD, the same type of thing, was weak in between. Chris is calling out Intel. Yep, Intel had a nice move today. Chris, I don't keep track of that name anymore, and that's my problem. And that's a bad thing on my part. I just don't track it anymore because it very rarely gives a move. But overall, the market's held in really well today, and we're in a good shape going into tomorrow. We have GDP at 8:30. I don't know what the market wants here, but as long as we get a number that is not too aggressive either direction, I think the market's fine. And then we get PCE on Friday. So with that said, I'm going to wish you guys a good night. I think the market's okay here. I think we're on the cusp of breaking out. If we break out, it's game on, guys. And I mean that. And I think that's the thing you need to realize here. If we fail here, then it's back into the chop zone. But if we break out here, it's game on. And the market's going to look to rally because there's a tremendous amount of cash on the sidelines. And just realize something. Okay, I can't curse because I'm going to put this out publicly. Every what in the world has been out screaming, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down, we're going to the lows here, right? And, we're going to go to, all-time lows. We're taking it out. We're taking out 3,500. And here we are. We gapped up today. We didn't fill it. We trapped everybody short this market for the last couple of weeks. So if the data is good tomorrow, they're in trouble. So we'll see what it gets. Anyway, with that said, have a wonderful evening. I'll catch you guys live in the AM.